Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about this bad boy. This is the first ever makeup product from Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Reina de Caribe Volume 1 eyeshadow palette, and let's just say it's beautiful. Look at this. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be inserting a swatch of all of these here. I just want to tell you guys that the pigmentation in this palette is not to be messed with. This palette is so beautiful and it's very wearable, and you can turn this into a day or night palette. It gives you the option for both. I wanted to go for a fun summery time look with this, so that is what I have on my eyes right now. But guys, let's just jump into the fact that Alamar Cosmetics was started by my very own sister-in-law, and I am so incredibly proud of her. She put in so much work to create such a beautiful product for you guys, and it is mind-blowing that she is here today and she finally announced the product, and I am so glad that I could be able to share it with you guys. And it's beautiful, and you guys you have to check it out. It's such an amazing palette, and it's gonna be an amazing experience for her, and I know that I'm super excited to see what she comes out with next. But this is the star of the show today in this video. So if you guys want to see how to get this eye look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting this video off with my eyebrows done and my eyes are already primed. So we're just going to jump right into this palette. And we are going to start off with Coco Taxi in my crease. So we're just going to buff that in. And I like to blow out my eyeshadows a lot. Just so it's like rounded, and I feel like it makes my eyes bigger and it complements my eye shape. So we're just going to blow that out. Alright, so now we're going to go in with Tropico, which is this like burnt orangey red shade. And we're just going to put that in our crease just a little bit tighter. And I don't want to darken this look up too much because I do want to keep it like daytime wearable. So we're just going to have a light hand with this. Alright, so now that I am nice and blended, I'm liking how everything's looking, I'm going to deepen it up just a smidge more with Cafecito, which is this dark brown shade. And I'm going to put this literally just at the very outer corner. So just pat it and just blend it right here. Now this is just to give it some more depth so that, again, your eye can look a little bit bigger, but not too crazy that it's like a nighttime look. Now just to brighten everything up, I'm going to take La Costa, which is this champagne-y light color, and it is a shimmer, so I'm just going to place that right on my lid where everything's basically clear, where I've tried to avoid, and kind of go up to my crease, but it's just a simple day look, so it's not a cut crease or anything. It's just to make it look a little bit brighter and complement the eye. I'm also going to take that as my brow bone highlight, just to soften the look up a little more. Alright guys, so now that my lids are done, I'm just going to go off camera really quick to finish the rest of my makeup, and then I will be back to show you what I'm doing under my eyes. Alright guys, so the rest of my face is done, and now for the lower lash line, which I'm really excited for. So I am going to use these two blue colors because it's summertime and I want a pop of color. So I'm just going to take Varadero, which is this deeper blue, and I'm going to place it on the outside of my eye, and then I'm going to take Celia and place it on the inside. Alright guys, so that is it. That is the finished look using the brand new Alamar Reina de Caribe Volume 1 palette. And guys, this palette is just, it is so beautiful. It's so pigmented, and I love everything about this palette. I love the person who created this palette, and I just know that it's something you need. Like, it's just, all these colors are so wearable and beautiful, and it's a beautiful summertime palette. I hope you guys really liked this look that I did with the palette, and if you guys are interested in getting this palette, I will leave a link to the website down in the description box below, and I will also leave their Instagram so you can give them a follow and keep up to date with all things Alamar. So if you guys like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified for when I post, click that little bell next to the subscribe box. And thank you guys just so much for watching, and thank you for the support that I know you're going to give Alamar. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!